G'day guys, welcome to another video. This is another one in this series to help explain, help our new scrapbookers out, help answer some of the questions that I get asked quite often, and I thought I would simply make some short videos and that way you can access them whenever you like. So the next topic off the gravy train is this one, cardstock. What do I use? Where do I get it from? Blah, blah, blah. Right. I have used American Crafts white textured cardstock for forever. For as long as I can remember, I've used American Crafts white textured cardstock. During 2020, things got a little bit dicey there. We didn't, there was supply chain issues and all that sort of stuff. So I started to put my feelers out for something a little different. Now, the American Crafts, it comes 60 sheets in a pack. This is how it comes. You tear off the top and you can do this, get your papers out, not a problem. It comes with its own little storage folder. It's fantastic, right? Now, I can generally get this one for about $37, $38 of late. That's pretty much about $38 to $40 is the going rate for this one. Now, it is a lighter weight cardstock, so it's only an 80-pound cardstock or a 216 GSM paper cardstock. That is just talking about the weight of the paper. So to be honest with you, I will show you the difference. So it's quite a flimsy cardstock. It's great if you're just putting photos on it and you're using it for photo matting, all that sort of bizzo. I still use it for that. I'm not knocking any of these. None of these products are better or worse than the other. It's just what I reach for on the day when I'm scrapping, depending what subject I'm scrapping. Sorry about the noise there as I was putting that back in there. So that's the American Crafts. So that's the difference. Okay, so that's the lightest cardstock that I have in my little collection. Now, apologies for the glare, but I wanted to show you. This is actually the Poppy Crafts 12x12 white cardstock. It's 240 GSM. Now, these come in 10 packs and you can get them from Crafts Online, usually if you're an Aussie. Crafts Online have them, I know, they've just had them on sale for like $1.99 for a 10 pack. Or you can get, I think they're normally about $3, maybe $4 a set, but they are slightly heavier weight than this. Is slightly heavier weight. So I do get this one, and I do get the 300 GSM occasionally as well, which is quite thick. And it's fantastic for your weightier projects. So if you, sorry, I'm just moving that clear out of the way. If you're looking to put quite a lot of weight on your page, like you might want to add quite a lot of embellishment. You might want to do a lot of texture paste or something like that on it. It's good to have the 300 GSM because it really holds true, especially if you're adding a lot of liquid to your page. Even though you've sealed the page, it's got the body to it and the grit that it's not going to just warp completely. And I do quite often put a lot on my papers. So the next thing I get asked, because I do quite often use a black cardstock to either do photo matting or I do it for a border around a photo. And to be completely honest with you, this stuff, it's dirt cheap. I think I picked it up. It was on sale from Spotlight and it's only 176 GSM. So it's not a really heavy cardstock, but it quite often I'll have it backing a heavier one. So even if I use this one with this one on the back, it gives it a lot more weight. So, and it holds true. So I quite often use this one for all my, this is the Frenchville cardstock. I was using another one, and I'm not even going to mention its name because it is terrible. It is the worst cardstock I've ever had. It's terrible. And I got that from Amazon. It was awful. It just, every time I cut it, it would, it was like, it was peeling, and it wasn't my blade on, and it wasn't anything to do with the way I was cutting it. I thought it was me, but it wasn't. It was the product itself. Now, I got that product from Amazon, and I just simply won't be buying it, and I certainly won't be telling you guys about it. It's definitely not great. So this one's fantastic, and it comes with 25 sheets for like $5. It's dirt cheap. And you can also get these in the A4 size as well, and I do have this in an A4 because quite often if I'm photo matting a couple of smaller photos, I just use the A4 instead of wasting the 12 by 12. So much easier. Now, this is I put off trying this mixed media paper for so long, and I'm a fool for doing it because it is fantastic. So this is the Vicky Bouton Foundations paper, and it is 300 GSM. It's 140 pound cardstock. It's 12 by 12, and you get 12 sheets. And I know that sounds like you don't get much, okay? But let me just tell you, this one's only got a couple of leftover bits in here. But weight-wise, this is amazing. And you don't have to add your gesso to it to seal the cardstock. You don't have to do that because this is designed to take the water and the product and the paint and all of that. It's designed to take it. So, and believe me, I have pushed this product to the limit, and I have actually sat there and I have added water to a section like this and just kept adding it, waiting for it to dry, and then added some more, and then added some more. And to say this stuff is amazing, put my money where my mouth is every time when it comes to this product, because it is fantastic. It is brilliant. So, and that is why I've even kept these little scraps, because I don't waste any of it, because this is our hard-earned money. We don't throw away hard-earned money. So I keep those bits and pieces, and I do exactly the same thing when it comes to all of these as well. I don't throw them away. I actually have, and this is my shameless moment that I'm going to have, this is what I do with them all. I know, this is pathetic, isn't it? But it's what I do. I need to throw that out, but I keep every little bit. American Crafts, white textured, I just keep it because you just do not know when you're going to need it. This box has been going for a long time. Like, I'm talking since before Angela was born. So this box is like 15 years of just building and building and building. So I take from it as much as I add to it, but it never really goes away. So that is the start and the end of this particular video. I will be back with another one. Now, if you like this kind of video, this short, informative, straight to the point stuff, let me know. Drop a comment below, hit the like button, let me know. It's just a very quick, it's not a podcast, it's a show and tell, I guess, kind of way of doing it, just so you can see exactly what the products are that I actually use. And yeah, and then usually a sample of what I've created as well in each video. So that's a couple of the boring videos out of the way. Now let's get into the fun stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you. And if you could hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, that would be amazing. And I'll be back with another video ASAP. Thanks so much, guys. Bye for now.